How to change location on Grubhub. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. To change the location in Grubhub, you have to search for Grubhub in a browser. This is because Grubhub does not have a direct feature of changing the location. Search for your Grubhub support and tap on Grubhub for drivers. In the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for the keyword change location. If not, you can even select on the most frequently asked questions below. When you search for change location, you will find some of the articles related on it. You can check out for solutions from here. If you do not find any of the legitimate solution, follow this alternative step. You can head back from here. From here, select on the option of your account. In here, you will find various options just for you. You can select on any of the option, whether or not if it is linked to your changing of location. This is because we actually want the access to the appeal application that looks like a form. Now you have to scroll to the very bottom and select on Submit a Request option. From here, just select on any of the option being provided for you. Now once you select on any of the option, you will find a form type of layout that you can easily fill. In the description box, just go ahead and fill out the information about the requirement to change your location. You can elaborate and add a file or a screenshot that supports your appeal. After the Grubhub team review your application, they will get back to you with an email. That is how you can change your location on Grubhub. This brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for watching.